Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an American Express gift card to your PlayStation 4 account. If you are looking to use your Amex gift card to buy games, DLCs, or subscriptions, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before adding your gift card, make sure you know the balance. You can check this by visiting the American Express website or calling the number on the back of the card. Amex gift cards need to be registered before they can be used for online transactions. Go to the American Express gift card website and enter the required details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. This helps link your card to an address, which is necessary for online purchases. Now, let's add the gift card to your PS4. Turn on your PS4 and log into your PlayStation Network account. Now go to Settings and select Account Management. Click on Account Information and then Wallet. Choose Payment Methods and select Add a debit or credit card. Enter the Amex gift card details including the number, expiration date and security code. For the billing address, use the same address you registered with the gift card. Now click Save. To ensure the card is working, try making a small purchase like a $1.99 theme or in-game currency. In the transaction goes through, your gift card is successfully added. If your card gets declined, double check that it's registered for online use. If it still doesn't work, try linking it to PayPal first and then use PayPal as your payment method on PS4. Some gift cards have restrictions, so check Amex's terms and conditions. And that's it. Now you know how to add your Amex Express gift card to your PS4 and start making purchases. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.